it's Rachel and Lulu here. It's late in the afternoon and it's a very hot day, so we're just doing things inside. Lulu has been very busy creating. She's preparing the front of what, Lulu? What is it?
Oh, I'm preparing the cover for my maths book.
For your mass binder?
Yeah.
Your big mass binder. So what are you doing? Do you want to show everybody?
Okay. Oh wait, I'll go and get the washi tapes that I was good. Oh no, I already used them. Okay. So
I'll just move my things away so that it's not confusing. So let me just move this up a little bit, I think. Just a second. There we go. Okay. So this is Lulu's creation.
So I put some things that I bought in Australia, like this. There was a pack. We bought a pack of these like cutouts, and that they're like kind of tropical theme, and I really like tropical things, so I put that.
And you love?
And I love pineapples.
But not eating them, isn't that
No,
right?
I
You
don't
like the look of them?
I don't like the flavour, but I do like the look of them.
I think you're crazy. I love pineapple. Anyway, go on, sorry.
And then, so this is like, I got some paper at Spotlight that had these like, you could cut out like shapes and things. And there was this strip of tropical leaves and I cut it out and I put it here. And then I used this washi tape that came in a set of 3 that had this one with pineapples, and another one that had bows. Okay, and then we got even these like little washi tape cutouts of like little cute things that you can stick on. And this is
and so what's
one.
your idea on this page? Is what are you doing here? What are you going to do there?
I was going to do some dotted lines, and I was going to write my subject, that in this case is maths, and then I was going to write my name and in which grade I'm going, and that's it.
Yeah, so I'm pretty liking that. And so you're going to have a binder that has a clear plastic sleeve that you can slip it into the cover, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's really good. So that's what Lulu's been up to today, and she's just come to help me here. I've finally put together some digital sort of ephemera sort of packs. I was asked a long time ago to put one together with my embroideries. There are a few people who sell their embroidery digital packs on Etsy already. So what I thought I would do is I have some really lovely postcards as well and trims. So it's kind of a mixed pack. So I printed out on some different papers what is in my first one. So I've only done one so far, but there will be more coming. So this is printed on cardstock. So, but I don't think that one's complete because I accidentally had some other paper mixed in with the cardstock, so it all printed on this. This is my high quality multi-purpose paper that I usually use also to print my photographs.
Oh.
So I'll just show you quickly what will be in there. So there'll be this doily. Some of the doilies were quite big, so they didn't fit into my scanner. So I just scanned a piece of them, and then you can cut them out and use them as you like in your journals. So I did this one. Then there's going to be some borders like these. These are really beautiful. I've already cut one out because I like to use these. You could use these as a journaling spot, like fold it, or you could pin it over to like 2 pages, or otherwise this was meant to be printed on cardstock. You could also put them in as a pocket or a tuck spot, so something like that, which would be really pretty, and just trim it off so you can get 2 out of there for a biggish book, or you could put them down the side. So they're really cool. And also, because it's white, you can also write on it. So I cut that one out so you could see what it looks like. There's another border there as well, another trim. And then this is a gorgeous linen little tray cloth that I have that would be lovely to cut out. And you could use that as a page sort of thing, or you could fold it into 3 and use it as a journaling spot. Then this is a lovely embroidery to cut out and put in as a page. And then here, these are, so this was an antique image from a box of chocolates, I think. This is the same, and then this is a gorgeous antique postcard that I have. This is some writing on one of my postcards. This is a beautiful, I love these. These are Italian and they're very old, from the early 1900s. And then this is another old, I don't think this one was a postcard. It was from another French box of chocolates, but it's very old. And then I have a page with some trims. This one's very pale, but you can still see where to cut it out. And these are all vintage trims. This is antique. My aunt actually gave that to me. And they're really cool just to add some texture into your journals without adding bulk. And you can also use those as tuck spots, or instead of using washi, you could add some of these trims. And then I've included a few doilies as well, because the doilies are really fun. These are different ones, but they're fun to cut out. You can fold them in half and have them over the edge of a page. You could glue them on the back of a page like I did in my journal. I think I showed it the other day. Let me find it. Where is it? Here. So that was a doily glued into the back of the page, put the picture on, and then I did some writing over it. So you could do that sort of thing with them. And then what else is in there? Oh, I think we saw that one already. I think I printed it twice. So that beautiful embroidery that I also made in a bag that made a big beach bag with some of that embroidery. Oh, that one we've already got because I accidentally printed it twice. And then this is one of my favorites. And I just cut this out here, and then I just fold it and put it in as a page. So one side you'll have the beautiful scalloped edge, and this again is lovely because you can write on it, and at the back you'll only have the scallop edge there, but then you could add something else there as a flip out or something like that. And then that one's we've already seen because it printed twice, and they're the borders, and I think that's it. So I printed these, as I said, on the multi-purpose paper, and then I also printed them on cardstock, just so you could see the quality of it. So I'll just quickly go through the ones that I managed to print on the cardstock. So these sorts of things I probably, depends what I want to do. If I wanted to make like a tuck spot, I would print it in cardstock so it's a little bit stronger. But if I want to use it as a border to glue down, I'd probably print it on the thinner paper. So this is these. And these can be cut out, made into a pocket, or you could put some old paper on the back like I've shown in my other videos, and they can be a journaling spot, stitch some lace on them.
They can be in the cover.
They could go on the cover. They're really pretty. I think I put this one on a cover once, on a journal that I sold. Yeah, so they can go on the cover. And the same with this. And also with the script, you could print it on the thinner paper, regular weight sort of copy paper, and then tear it and use it as embellishments. And all of these could be torn and used as embellishments. And that's the other one. And then the doilies, and then the other one there. And then I also printed them on some ivory regular paper, just so you could see the effect. Makes them look a little bit more aged. They're very yellowy. And this is thinner paper. So in this, depends how much bulk you want to add. I mean, I would use that as a page in the journal. Now you'll see the color in here is a little bit different because with my printer, I have a problem when I open, even if I buy ones I've bought from Adimaze and Tsunami Rose and things, when I open the PDF file, the colors print out much more lolly. I don't know how to explain. They're much more lolly sort of colors than what they are in reality. So what I do, I've got an HP printer. So what I do is I don't open the PDF file. I just right click on the name of the file and hit print, and then it prints out like this in the proper colors. So that's the way to get around it if the colors come out too yellow or too lolly sort of colors.
Too bright?
Too bright. I don't know, not even bright. They're just more lolly. I don't know. I don't know why my printer does that. But anyway, if anybody else has that problem, don't open the file. Just hover over the name, right click, hit print, and then it will print out the way it should. So that's just on ivory, as I said, copy paper. So it's quite good as well. And then the other thing I did was, if you purchase this digital file, you'll receive a PDF file where I've already laid them out on the page, and they print out in like these in the previous. And I'll also give some zip files with the JPEG original files, so that way you can print them any size that you want. So for example, let me find this one. Where is it? Let me see this one from the PDF file prints with this border around it, and then from the JPEG file you can just print it on the whole page and you'll only have a little border around it, so it's bigger. You could also, if your journal is smaller, you can say select this one and print two on a page. And also with the Hewlett-Packard you can also print two smaller ones as well. So you could use those as pages in the smaller journal. You could also fold them like that, and they could be one page here and one page there. They could also become like flip outs. Well, not on this paper, well, not with this paper, if you used cardstock, yeah. But they could also be folded. Let me see, I don't think I've done anything like that in here yet. So that's an example of a doily put in as a page. If I were to print that on there with two, so it became that size, then I could actually, instead of putting it there, I could fold half, sorry I'm not in the screen, half on this side and half on that side, and have the doily here and the doily there, and write on the other side or decorate it or that sort of thing. That's what I'm thinking. So again, and then with the doilies you can print them smaller like I did with these ones. Where did I put them, Lulu? I always get myself into such a mess. Here we go. So these, for example, are printed much smaller, so they could slip into a pocket, or again fold over a page like that, or they could slip into an envelope. Or they can just be glued onto a little in a corner of a page. So you can choose how big you want to print them with the JPEG files. That's basically what my point is. So that's the previous one that I printed big, and then this one as well. So that's what I have to show you today. I don't think there's anything else, is there, Lulu? Oh, just pass me your journal. I can't remember what's in there. I think I put not these particular doilies, but I will slowly be making packages of all of the doilies that I have. And I have some new ones that I purchased that are really pretty that I'll be scanning as well. So slowly I'll be getting some.
I think you went too fast.
There's one here.
Oh, that one.
Yeah, there's one there as a page. And for example, in my Florence journal, which of course I haven't finished yet. I mean, seriously, when will I finish that? Here's another one. So, and I mean, these are great to write on as well because they're so pretty. With my Florence journal, I didn't actually put any in when I made it. I don't think I had any printed. I think I'd used them all in journals that I sold. So when I continue on, I must continue on with this. I love it now that I'm looking at it. So when I continue on with this one, what I can do is say grab, in fact I might, oh I like that there. What I would do is grab that, or it could be glued in there like that. Maybe I can have a photograph, I don't know. Or I can fold it there, and I can or washi tape it in, or I could staple it in. No, I wouldn't staple it in because then it will bend, but I would washi tape it in, or just fold it and paper clip it in, and you can write on there or whatever you like. And they can easily slip into a pocket as well, because when you print them small like that, they can easily slip into a pocket. So as I said, I didn't include, oh I put that in upside down, did I? Oh no. As I said, I didn't include any in here, but I will be able to insert them in because I'll just glue them into the pages and maybe use them as foldovers on pages and things like that. So that's what my idea is about the printables. So I do have a lot of beautiful antique letters with beautiful writing, so I'll be scanning those in as well and putting those in some of the kits, but I thought it would be more fun to make these kits with a mix of things. What do you think, Lulu? So you can have a variety of things to use in your journals. And I tried to think about things that sort of coordinate together as well. So anyway, that's all for now. I hope everybody is well, and thank you to everybody for subscribing. I'm just trying to get over all of my trips that I've had. I've been away with my dad for 5 days, so I'm just trying to get on track with orders, and then I will make some more printable packs, and also I need to make some more journals, which I haven't made since I went to Australia. And what else do I have to do, Lulu? I'm having a blank. Oh, that's it, what I have to do. Oh, you're so clever. How did you read my mind?
I don't know.
How did you read my mind?
I don't know.
I've been really surprised about how many subscribers I have, and I want to do a giveaway. But obviously, because I haven't been able to create anything new, I need to make what I'm going to give away.
Yeah.
So, and I was also thinking, because I'm so thankful to everybody, I would like to do a double whammy giveaway. So there'll be the first prize and second prize.
Oh, okay.
I have no idea how it works, but anyway, over these next couple of weeks, there will be a giveaway. Yeah. So I just have to make it, and then I'll let you all know. So thank you for listening to my rambling, and we might be back tomorrow or the next day with something else. I really need to do some more journaling in my travel books, so maybe that will be the next video. Thanks, everyone. Have a great Friday. Bye.
Bye.
Bye from Lulu.
Bye.